Congratulations!
Congratulations to you, you won the MAID award of the Grundfos prize.
Otto Mønsteds Foundation would like to congratulate you with the MAID Award 2020.
Thank you so much. Feels wonderful. It was very nice to be surprised and to win this award. It is an honor. It felt really good to win this award after all the work that was put into the different industrial projects. My project is about advanced manufacturing technologies, specifically metal 3D printing, and using metal 3D printing in production. And during the course of my project, worked with Lego and Grundfos and Force Technology in order to help them take their metal 3D printing technology further. The most exciting moment for me has been that with our group we built a metal 3D printer that works similarly to the one that is present at our industrial partners, and therefore we are able to help our industrial partners perform better production through academic research support. I will be bringing some cake and beers for the group members.